Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jake in Oregon on this Stryker SR-955HP. Jake, got it ready to go for you, bud? We loaded this one out with all kinds of durability options. ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade, upgraded to Shiba regulator, receive mods, electrolytic capacitors, upgrade. She's ready to go. So let's just get right to it. I'll start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Set 2 watts all the way down so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Right at 20 all the way up. Hello. Well, 50 watt slug in the corner on average. Put the 100 watt slug in there. Lord knows we're going to need the 250 watt slug in PEP. 100 watt slug average. Hello. 65, 66 average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 120 peak. Alright, my friends, ready to come to you up here to the northwest corner from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.